So today, what came? Glossy Box. You know I can't resist a Glossy Box. So my name's Fawn, this is my channel. It is a happy place and I love it here. I've made lots of friends. I do loads of unboxings, fashion. My goodness, do I have some fails. But I think it's quite funny because I think it's life. So if you like that kind of thing, if you're like me, a bit dopey, want to have a bit of a laugh, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, comment. So let's get into it. This is, I think, my third box. Have I got a bit of hair sticking out here? I don't know. I keep looking in that thingy and thinking, oh, my hair looks funny. Anyway, it's my third one. So, open it up and let's see what's inside. Now inside, I happen to know that there's a beautiful box because they gave us a preview of the box. Oops, a daisy, get rid of that. Whole load of leaflets, Vision Direct, there's something missing from your handbag, which is a free contact lens trial. And the UK's #1 gin subscription club. This is actually quite, my almost son-in-law Ronan loves gin. Oh, and there is one other card. Oh, and that's a free box from Grays. But look at this beautiful box. Isn't that stuff? Oh, it's upside down. Now look at the beautiful box. Isn't that beautiful? It says Midnight Fantasy, the Beauty Tales. And I just can't wait to get in. And look how beautifully it's done inside with the ribbon and a leaflet, which I presume will tell me all about the products. So inside, there's a leaflet about the Look Fantastic foundation finder. Scan the code on the front of the colour card and follow the link. I may very well do that, you know, because I am struggling. Now we're getting into the winter, of course, I'm going to start paling back up and it's, you know, what shade should I be? So yes, I have a leaflet. So there was Enchanted Spirit and Midnight Fantasy. Yeah. So I'm Midnight Fantasy. Don't know what Enchanted Spirit is. I can only tell you about this one. Undo the pretty ribbon. And the gold paper. And inside, ooh, I love purple. Love purple. So it says, once upon a time in a land ruled by enchanting spirits, the beauty tales, a mystical folklore revered as holding the secrets to eternal beauty and youth, were shared far and wide across Glossitania. It goes on a lot longer, but I won't read you the whole story. We're a little bit too grown up for that, aren't we? So let's go with, let's see, what have we got? Okay, AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Where else do you have eyes other than your face? Ooh. I just thought of something very rude. But as a woman, I think the only place we have eyes is on our faces. Let me get my glasses because the writing is so small. The Elixir of Youth. This face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream, but can be used on your whole face. Oh, that's quite interesting. It's by AHC. This is the Dulux Mini 10 mils, worth £8.66, full size, £26. So it's a concentrated eye cream that you put all over your face. That's an interesting idea. Next up is, oh, a bath powder. Look how pretty that is. It's a foaming bath powder and it's in the scent rose. I love anything that smells it. Oh, and you can actually smell it through the plastic. I was going to sniff it and then say, how stupid am I trying to sniff it through this? But you can actually, they must have done something so that you can smell it. Stardust foaming bath powder in rose. And it said, I don't take many baths. I've got a big bath, but I don't take many baths. Create a mood boosting concoction to bathe in thanks to this mystical stardust. Its uplifting rose scent will not only make you smell great, but feel fabulous too. Simply sprinkle into a warm bath while the water is still running, then slip in. The RRP is £5.99, so that's the full size. If you paid £5.99, that's the size you would get. I like that. It does smell gorgeous. Next up, oh, next up here's a Lippy. You know I like a bit of Lippy. This one is by, oh, Luna by Luna. Beautiful packaging, look at that. Luna by Luna. And what does it say? I wonder what colour it is. That's always a thing, isn't it? What colour is it? Can we wear it or can we not? This is called Pixie. Oh, and the colour is, oh no, that's nice. It is a red, but it's more into your sort of pinky terracotta-y red. So I come right in, see if it'll focus and give us a good view of the colour. It is hard on here. I will definitely be using that, so I will try that. And what does it say about it? It says this lipstick is so luscious, you'll think that it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. It's a full size, obviously, and it's £18. And it says it's incredibly creamy, but has a rich pigment that stays put for hours. Better yet, it doesn't dry, fade, or settle into lip lines. Limes. Oh my goodness me. I went to the dentist this morning, please forgive me. I was all, and I'm now relaxing, but I think I've relaxed a bit much. Anyway, really pleased to have that. Next is, Ilumasca. This one is Hydro Veil Primer. Oh, now excited to try this one, I have to say. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that pretty little pot. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. I am on the, you know, never-ending hunt for a primer that works with the oils here, forehead, chin, top lip, but can cope with the fact that I can be a little bit dry over here. So I haven't found my holy grail yet, so that, yay. Okay, so this says, part hydrator, part primer. Hydro Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Oh dear, dear. It's called microalgae, vitamin C and B3 that work together to help maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. This is a deluxe mini, which is worth £10, and the full size, which would be 30ml, is £34. I'm really chuffed to try that. I'm sorry this video is so bad, guys. I didn't think I'd be quite so, but I clearly am. I got in a terrible tizzy about it. I'm so frightened of the dentist, it's ridiculous. So I got in a terrible tizzy, and I shouldn't have, because it wasn't a big deal. I think it might be a big deal next week when he told me I'll be in the chair for 4 hours. But today wasn't so bad. Anyway, next up is a Stargazing Blush Duo. Who's that actually by? Oh, by the Beauty Group. No, by the Beauty Crop. Glasses. Yeah, the Beauty Crop. I have never heard of the Beauty Crop. Okay, and it says, get ready to create spellbinding looks thanks to this duo of blushes, combining a matte hue with a shimmery shade. These velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrancing effect. And it's a full size, and it would be £18. I can take my glasses off again now. I'm so vain, you see. I keep taking them off and on. I'm going to the opticians. In fact, I think I'm going to the opticians on Saturday or Sunday, maybe, to try and see if there's anything up with these eyes, other than the fact that I'm an old woman. So that's the interior packaging. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Hi. Can I call you back in, like, give me 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, right, bye. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Isn't that pretty packaging? And I'd have no doubt what the name was if I'd got it straight out of the box. And the colours... Oh gosh, this won't open. Why won't it open? Am I doing it wrong? Ah, there we go. Oh, pretty colours. Look at that. They are nice colours, aren't they? I wonder what they look. I'm totally keeping this, I'm afraid. So I'm just going to sweep it on my hand. So, let's put them aside. Right, so they correspond with the shades. Can you see? So the pink really is quite pink. And the browner shade, yeah, it's just a bit flatter. I like that very much. And then in the bottom, we have a tiny bar of chocolate. It's the Cadbury's dark milk. I've never tried this. I don't like dark chocolate. It makes me go... equally, I can't eat white chocolate, or yes, white chocolate, because that's too sweet. I'm a happy in the middle milk chocolate girl. So that was what was in the box. The chocolate, the Illamasqua Veil Primer, the Bubble Stardust Rose Powder for the bath, the AHC Eye Cream for your face, a really lovely looking lipstick, and that really pretty blusher. So there we go. That's what it looks like. I'm really pleased with that. I think that was a really nice selection. A Lippy, you know, some face cream, a bit of primer. I'm really happy with that. I think that was a fabulous box. Really pleased. The only thing is, I've now got to wait a month for the next box. But hopefully I'll find some products that I think to myself, yeah, I'm going to buy full size. I really like that. Anyway, that was me on a stressed out day, funnily enough. Still a happy day, you'll notice. I still laugh and think everything, but inside I'm all, oh, I do feel quite, even though we're home. So yes, that's it. That was me today. That was Glossy Box. A very glossy fairy tale. I hope you're well, my guys. My guys? My friends. Guys, who are my friends, girls who are my friends, all of you out there. I hope you're well, I hope you're happy. I hope you've got a bit more brain power than me today. Okay,